you're hearing from the BJP spokesperson. They are claiming that this is an important step to clean up Bollywood. What's wrong with it? If drugs is a major problem according to the BJP spokesperson, and consumption of drugs is being done by role models, the NCB must act against them. This is not a weapon of mass distraction as is being alleged by the opposition.
Rajdeep, who has a problem? Ask them to go and clean the film industry for all we care. Don't compare it with the rampant drug abuse which Punjab witnessed a few years ago. Don't forget the way you attacked Rahul Gandhi when he tried to raise the issue of drug abuse amongst the youth in Punjab. He was demonized. The issue here is not of drugs in Bollywood. It started only a week ago or maybe 10-15 days ago. Before that, it was a tragic death of a young actor, Sushant. People had a problem with the investigation, fair enough. Go to the Supreme Court, they went to the Supreme Court, they got a relief, CBI inquiry, fair enough. Day in and day out, 24/7, our television is discussing the film industry of Bombay. देखिए राजदीप जी, राजा तीन तरह के होते हैं, politician, leader and statesman. A politician will only be bothered about what interests the nation, whereas the leader would like to see what is in the interest of the nation. हमारे जो राजा हैं, शहंशाह नरेंद्र मोदी जी, वो सिर्फ एंटरटेन रखते हैं इस देश को. कभी खुद एंटरटेनर बन जाते हैं, कभी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री को सामने रखते हैं.
What does that have to do? What does that, Pawan Khera, have to do with the fact that the NCB wants to carry out investigations against top stars? They are not holy cows.
I absolutely. My opening remarks were, please go and clean the film industry. Absolutely. Whoever is guilty, go and punish them as per the law of the land. Who's stopping you from doing that? My question is to Rajdeep Sardesai also. Look at your own channel. सुबह से शाम तक आप क्या कर रहे हैं? इस देश के साथ आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं देश को. क्यों कर रहे हैं साहब? The buck has to stop somewhere. राजा के ऊपर तो buck नहीं रुक सकता. राजा wants this. But even Rajdeep wants this. So let's then take it to the people. जिनके लिए आप ये सब कर रहे हैं. Do the people want this? Maybe the people want this. अब जैसा यथा राजा तथा प्रजा, अगर राजा चाहता है कि यही नैरेटिव चलेगा तो साहब यही नैरेटिव चलेगा. You know, in Roman Empire, there used to be this blood sport. भूखी जनता को कोलोसियम में इकट्ठा बैठा दिया सबको. एक शेर के सामने एक स्लेव को खड़ा कर दिया, लड़ो. So if the slave had to die, obviously, people would clap, they'll forget their hunger for a bit. Wait. After the slave would be killed by the lion, the hungry lion, the next episode, the lion will be killed. People would be more entertained. So that's what Mr. Narendra Modi is doing, and Rajdeep is helping him to do.
Okay.
I'm not blaming you personally.
Both of you are free to attack me. Rajdeep is actually the softest target.
Rajdeep, I am talking about the media, not you. You know me well. I'm not talking personal. No, I'm just talking about the way.
You have made your point that the media is part. Sir, you made your point.
ये भी एक एडिक्शन है.
Of this weapon of mass distraction.
आपने श्वेता जी को इतना समय दिया, थोड़ा 20 सेकंड मुझे भी दे दीजिए. मानता हूँ वो रूलिंग पार्टी है, हम ऑपोजिशन है, मानता हूँ हमारी सिर्फ 54 सीट है, हमें समय तो दीजिए.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हमें, मैं तो आपके बीच में नहीं बोला, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, you are talking about drug addiction in Bollywood, but the kind of addiction Mr. Narendra Modi and his ecosystem and his Godi media is trying to spread in this country, the addiction of applauding when someone falls. अरे देखो वो भी गिर गया और ताली बजाओ. अरे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बड़े-बड़े हीरो जिनके लिए हम तालियां बजाते थे, आज वो भी अरेस्ट हो रहे हैं. वाह वाह, क्या बात. That's the kind of addiction which is more dangerous for this country because we are all getting distracted. राहुल गांधी कितना बोलते रहेंगे, कोविड का पहले ही वार्निंग दे दिया, सब कुछ हो गया. गवर्नमेंट को क्या फर्क पड़ता है? उन्हें मालूम है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री दिखा देंगे, कभी क्रिकेट दिखा देंगे, कभी धर्म दिखा देंगे, 3-4 चीजें दिखा देंगे, लोगों को एडिक्शन पे ले आएंगे. And unfortunately, media is becoming a happy, willing, ready tool in the hands of this politician called Narendra Modi, who kept dreaming that he'll be a statesman. I am sorry, he's not even a leader. He's just a politician entertaining everyone.
Pawan, you made your point. You are claiming that the government of the day is using this and perhaps the media is willingly being used to create entertainment value. Let's be clear. The media didn't ask the NCB to interrogate Deepika Padukone. All these decisions have been taken by the NCB itself. So there is, no, 1 minute, Pawan. Now you must, I'll come back to you in a moment.